Hello beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart and today I will be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved this look right here using my organic Graffiti cosmetics, eyeshadows, and lippy. So I wanted to do a fall inspired look because it's November, okay? And the leaves are changing colors, they're falling off of the trees. This is my favorite time of the year. And this is actually the time of the year when I wear the most makeup because I'm not hot. It's the truth. You know, in the summertime, you're hot. So eyeshadow is like an afterthought. And I basically usually wear like concealer and some powder. But in the wintertime, I feel a little bit more comfortable with the heat and I do a little bit more. So I'm hoping to pump out a little bit more looks for you guys and be a little bit more consistent with my uploads. Thank you so much for the support so far. We are at 1,376 subscribers as of this morning. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I know I'm not the most consistent uploader. I try to give you quality content when I do upload, and I hope that you understand that it's a lot of effort to put out quality content. But I appreciate you for still watching, staying subscribed, and I hope that we can grow together and that you can just go on this journey with me. But that is enough rambling. If you like to see how I achieve this look, make sure that you hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. Hit the thumbs up button. And share this video, comment below as well. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my lids with a little bit more of that Makeup Forever concealer, just so that the eyeshadow has something to stick to. And just so you know, contrary to popular belief, you actually don't need a primer for eyeshadows. Do primers help with longevity? Yes. Do they keep your lids from creasing? Some of them do, not all, because they're not all created equally. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. I'm gonna put that in the crease and I'm gonna use this as my, I guess, transition shade. And the reason why I'm using this is because I'm gonna use this to bronze my face and it'll just tie everything together because everything will be the same. It'll be like the same color story, same tones, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna blend that out. So it's November. That means Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is my favorite holiday. I don't know. What's your favorite holiday? I know a lot of people like Christmas, but I don't celebrate Christmas. I don't celebrate Christmas. So because I don't, I celebrate Thanksgiving and I go big with Thanksgiving simply because, you know, my grandmother did. She always made these huge meals. Everybody in the family came and even like, you know, people you hadn't seen forever, and we would all break bread and it was just always really special. And so I am looking forward to Thanksgiving. Like Thanksgiving is my thing. So now I'm gonna go in. I have that down. It's pretty blended out pretty well. I like it for the most part. Now I have these eyeshadows that I received from Organic Graffiti Cosmetics. And it's really cute. The packaging is so cute. They're like loose eyeshadows. So here's one. This is one that I'll be using. This is a green color. This is called Vandalism. Okay, I get it now. That's cute. Graffiti, vandalism, get it? Yeah. And then this one, I'm gonna use this brown as well. And this is called Top to Bottom. All right, so I'm gonna start off by placing the brown color on the outer edge right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I might do a look. Oh no, don't make me change my mind. I wanted to do green with this brown one because green is my favorite color, but it's looking like this brown is a whole, you know I love a brown smoky eye, guys. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna put that down and just place that down right there. I'm gonna go back in with that brush I used in the crease and just blend it up a little bit. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, this is a look right here. Oh, don't make me change my mind. I like it a lot. Okay, so let me do the other side. Just packing it on the outer corner of my mobile lid. Blend it out a little bit. Yeah, and then now I'm gonna go in with that color Vandalism. As soon as I saw Vandalism and I saw this other color, I knew I was gonna use it. One, I love browns, I love green, but green is my favorite color. So I always just kind of naturally gravitate towards green colors. So I'm gonna put that on the inner portion of my lid. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love green. Green is my favorite. Green is such a pretty color. You know what? Everyone loves blues and pinks and whatever. I just love green. Me and my baby cousin, she loves green as well. I think we're like the only ones. We might be the only ones in our family who do the greens, but that is my thing. I love a nice green. Look at that. So now you're gonna bring this over. So pack it in the inner corner, and then once you get to the brown, just kind of, if you wiggle your brush side to side, it'll blend those two colors together. So put that green inside. Ooh, I gotta look at what other colors she has. I actually like these a lot. So I'm gonna get a smaller brush that doesn't have any product on it, and I'm just gonna blend that green into my crease color, which was the bronzer, remember guys? Oh, this is cute. So I'm gonna go back into the bronzer and I'm gonna place that on my lower lash line just to keep it a little simple. And this is just like a nice soft look. All right, so I like where this is going so far, but I think I need a little bit more depth. So I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors Baked Browns palette, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade in the palette, and that is what I'm gonna use to deepen my crease. So go right directly into the crease with that color. Circular motions with the brush, just to soften and blend right on the edge, and then bring that right on in. You see how it just deepened it a little bit, right? That's all we need. We don't need much. Circular motions. You want to bring it in. So I use a tinier brush for this type of application because I want to make sure that the color is only going where I want it. And then I do tiny circular motions for blending, for more like controlled blending, if you know what I mean. So now I'm gonna take a pencil brush, same color, and I'm gonna take that on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna make that pretty smoky. I like my lower lash line pretty smoky. So then I'm gonna take that same green color Vandalism, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner on the lower lash line, just to brighten up the eye a little bit. You don't need much. That's so cute. All right, so the eyes are pretty much finished. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'm not gonna do any liner because my eyes are irritated, and I also want this to be soft. It's daytime. I have places to go, so there will be no liner today. So another thing that you can do, like if you have a look and you want it to be less dramatic, either you can do brown liner or no liner. Liner is not crucial. So I'm not gonna do any liner on my lower lash line. I am gonna do a ton of mascara because that's just my MO. All right, so the mascara that I'm gonna be using today is my Pat McGrath's Lab Fetish Eyes. And I pile it on, like there's no shame in my game, girl. I piles it all the way on. I have placed the mascara on my eyes, and really quickly I forgot to set my face. So I'm just gonna blend out these laugh lines. I'm gonna go in with my setting powder now. So today I'll be using my Cover FX matte setting powder in the shade medium. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance contour palette. Start with the contour shade and just set everywhere that I laid down the contour, the cream contour. All right, so now that that's to my liking, I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. Anywhere I want the bronzer to be. Try to tap it into the hairline. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my highlight. I'm gonna use my Danessa Myricks in light powder. This is the shade Angel Wings. I normally use Heat, but today I'm going for a little different of a look. The high points of my cheekbone. And this is the same brush that I used to set under my eye. I'm gonna take that Angel Wings. Next, I'm gonna take the color Boomin' by Makeup Shayla and ColourPop, and I'm gonna put that right over top. Okay, I believe in the glow, honey. I'm a strong believer in the glow. I am a glow baby. And there we have it. I'm gonna be using my Milani blush in the shade Spiced Rose. The last and final steps, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face, then I'm going to apply my lashes, and then I will put on my lips. I've applied my lashes off camera. These are the, I think these are Anja by Lash Fix NYC, Neon Fix Lash. I like these lashes. They're very lightweight and the band is very like flexible and soft, so it molds to your eyes very well. But now I'm gonna go with the lips. I also have the lipstick, which is also by Organic Graffiti Cosmetics. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe lip liner in the color Trendsetter. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Guys, it's fall. Like, you can feel it outside. The weather's changing. It's cold here in New Jersey. All right, I'm just gonna go pack that green on a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take that brown as well and just reinforce the brown. So this is the lippy. It reminds me a lot of MAC's Antique Velvet. Just a little less red, I wanna say. It's a matte, it's super comfortable. Like, it glided on very nicely. And then also, you can tell that there's some type of essential oils. It almost has like a peppermint smell or whatever to it. And yeah, it smells good. It smells like essential oils. It smells like peppermint almost. So I really like this a lot, and the eyeshadow. So I'm actually gonna look into some more things from Organic Graffiti Cosmetics. You should check them out. This eyeshadow is popping. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I really enjoyed creating this for you. Like I said earlier, fall is my favorite, absolute favorite season, and I love all the fall colors. Green is my favorite color. I'm gonna try not to kill you guys with a million green eyeshadow tutorials, but when I do wear color, I usually go for green. But if you like this video, make sure that you comment below. Share the video with a friend if it was helpful. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're alerted with my future uploads. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.